Kusenjalo, amaphoyisa omkhandlu waseGoli agasele esakhiweni iZambezi okusolakala ukuthi siduniwe. Kungaphandle kwalesakhiwo lapho kubulawe khona uWarwick DJ Wallace Stock ngoLwesibili. Kukholakala ukuthi uDJ Wallace ubulawa nje inkampani yakhe yabaqaphi ibinikwa umsebenzi wokuqapha kulesakhiwo nokuyikhona kuholele kusocongweni kwakhe.
There's been a talk in the building itself, some of the tenants talking about dealing with the security that is here, dealing with him as well, because he has taken the 6 for the protection order. So they were saying that, you want us to be evicted, you want us to be arrested, but we're going to deal with you.
Imlayezo ey'ngcingweni zabasolakalayo kulesigameko zikhomba ukuthi kukhona abakwaziyo kanti amaphoyisa athathe abayisithupha okubalwa kubo nowesifazane oyedwa ukuba bayophoswa imibuzo.
When we look at the messages, there's some laughter there about, no, he died. And, so we were saying that. So the extraction team now, they're going to take them for actually questioning. We're taking all their phones. We're going to go through them and check this conversation. So someone somewhere in this building, they know what is happening. And they must tell us, or else there's going to be anarchy here.
Bangaphezu kwama-30 abantu abangakukhokheli ukuhlala kulesakhiwo bekhala ngokungabonelelwa ngezidingo kanti abanye babo babalwa kulabo abayisithupha abebethathwe ngamaphoyisa izolo mayelana nokubulawa kuka-DJ Wallace.
The person in room 203 that has not been paying for the whole year, and these 6 the people of interest, when we actually have to take them out, ask them in terms of why they've not been paying. So they've been actually, citing something that we don't understand, which is the typical of the committee that is here, saying that no, there's no services and all of that. So they're very resistive. And then now they influence the whole 37 people. So there's a revolution of non-payment of this place.
Iphathimandla zithi ngalomkhankaso zihlose ukuletha uzinzo edolobheni ngemuva kokubulawa kuka DJ Wallace kanye nokususa idolobha ezandleni eingafanele.